Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna review a favorite book of mine, which is Unshakable by Tony Robbins. And this has changed my life throughout, since I've read this. You can see this book is Unshakable by Tony Robbins. So this book is for each and everyone who wants to start their financial literacy and financial education towards the expertise. First of all, this book tells about the 5 key principles one needs to focus to excel in their financial future. Okay, why financial education is required is the first question, because since we earn money throughout your career, we do different job, but very few people end up getting wealthy over time. So there's a big difference in between the earning good amount of money and being wealthy, and there's also a significant difference between being rich and being wealthy. Okay, so being wealthy is all about having time, how much you have earned, how much you have converted into the assets that can work for you, so that you can have more time to enjoy your life, to do something you are passionate about. Okay, so I'm gonna list the 5 key takeaways from this book. Starting from the first one, the book will take the beginner and many huge amount of money. So every investor, while reading this book, will gain the same insight of a billionaire mind. Okay, this is the most important takeaway from this book. Since you are spending such less money for this book and you're getting such a huge value, this is a must-buy book out there. This is to make your life better. Since all of happiness, it's hugely depend on the financial condition of ourselves. Our happiness is nowadays hugely dependent on the bank balance of our earning that we are saving for our future, for our children, for our passion, for our vacation, for retirement. So happiness is sort of more or less associated with the money nowadays. So this book will make your life better in terms of financial education, and make your life better in terms of your approach towards other people you work. You will be able to help so many people out around you. And the third takeaway from this book will be the 4 principles which Tony has talked about in this book. The first one will be don't lose money. See, this book is getting very deep into the stock market. So stock market is something one must pursue to build a wealth over time. Okay, so the first core principle associated with the stock market is that don't lose money. Stock market hasn't taken money from anybody. It has always given money to others who has waited patiently to the investment they had made over the time in the stock market. So you guys, one thing you have to do is don't lose money. Just hold on to your investment and let it grow. Give it some time. So the second core principle will be the asymmetric risk and reward. Risk and reward is very personal thing. How much risk you can afford to the return you want to get. So many big hedge fund managers out there, many big players in the financial world enjoy the high return with low risk. So of course they are very much educated in the field, so that they can earn huge returns by affording very little bit of risk. But we cannot do that at this point. Being a beginner, we cannot do that. So all we have to do is to find a very symmetric way of returns and risk. Means we are going to take a minimum risk to earn little bit of high returns. High returns may be 10 to 15% over the year on your investment, which is very big, which is very good than FD or bonds which you buy traditionally or conventionally. Stock market will give you a great return over the time, and by affording very little risk. This book will teach you about this important concept. Takeaway from this book is the tax efficiency. The hidden risk, the hidden tax, hidden fees around the investment which we make. We tend to invest in mutual funds a lot, but we ignore the fees which is hidden in the mutual fund, and which fund managers charge from us over the time, because the return we generate over the time, the return the fund manager generate over the time over our investments is very much associated with the tax and the high fees they charge. And once the sums grow up to a huge amount like 1 or 2 crore, the fees grows in the same way. So we end up losing a huge chunk of money in fees. So this book will talk about how to minimize your fees and taxes which you pay over time, and we tend to ignore that. Okay. The fourth takeaway is to diversify your investment. Diversification is simply means to invest in different kind of asset like real estate, stocks, bonds, savings, gold, just to make sure that once the market is not performing well, our investment doesn't go like very low, doesn't fall very sharply. If we have gold in our portfolio, then our investment will even grow in the time of crashes and corrections. So diversification is another very important concept which this book talks about, which one must follow to invest in different kind of assets and diversify their portfolio. One should always look for the investment in terms of the kind of upside he is getting and the limited downside. Okay, the huge upside means the growth potential is like very humongous, massive, and the downside is very limited. If we are getting this kind of investment, then one must invest in the right kind of stuff or instrument. Okay, like many investment options are available where downside is very limited, means the risk and the chances of losing money is very little, and the upside and the potential growth is very good. So one must look for the options like this. Another point which this book makes, which is one of my favorite point, which is investment is like a marathon. It's not a sprint. Like we know Usain Bolt is like the greatest sprinter, but this book doesn't talk about the sprinting kind of stuff. This book talks about investment as a marathon. Like we run a marathon like an investment for the horizon of 10 to 20 years. It's not something which we invest today and will be rich tomorrow. It's something which we be over time, which we create wealth over time, which is like 10, 15, 20 years down the lane. So it's like marathon running. It's not just sprinting like you just pour up money and we will get the return tomorrow. It's not going to happen like that. Another point which Tony doesn't fail to make at any of his book, which is the actual secret of living is giving. The one which we love is all about giving. The impact you're making towards from your actions is like another form of giving. So giving is something, the core principle, the core secret of living. These 5 points, I think you noted it down in your notebook, which will help you to navigate through your financial journey. If you're starting like me as a beginner, so these points will help you a lot while starting your financial journey. And I wish you a very happy financial journey over the time, and may you all be rich and wealthy. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video.